What's happening, Captains? Obviously you want to hear me talk about swim trunks, so let's get into it. What's in here? Let's find out. Obviously we have a box, but that's not what this is. And in the box is another bag. It's a little dry sack because what we have are the Bay swim trunks from Loro Piana. This is in the Twilight Blue, and this is a newer version from like what I had last year. And I love the little details on it. Like they've got a little surf bus here and their classic swim trunks life preserver. But I love these little charms on it. Last year, I bought these bad boys from Loro Piana. Now, these became my go-to swim trunks all year long. Absolutely loved them because the material is super soft, super fast drying, and they're just really comfortable. But one thing that I didn't like is with the size I got, the pockets were a little tight on me, which, you know, isn't a huge deal. But when I'm by the pool or in the water, like obviously there is time in the water and time out of the water. And for the out of the water stuff, just for my comfort, I like to have pockets, right? And when these are so tied up against my big thighs, they're not as easygoing and casual as I want them to be. So while they fit great around the waist and absolutely love the style, like look at the little sailboats. How cool is that? Love that. I wanted to get something a little bigger that, you know, had that more easygoing, flowy look, because I know I'm going to be spending a lot of time in the water this year. I always do. And yes, I say water, okay? Just, all right, people give me crap about it all the time, but it's not changing at this point. Come on. But one thing I like is with all of these things, they come with a nice little bag that keeps everything from getting wet and gross. But here are the new ones, and I really like these. They're just in like a classic blue color. I think they call it Twilight Blue. They're very similar. They're just a little bigger. I went one size up from an XL to a 2XL just to kind of, you know, I'll have to pull in the waist a little more, but it makes the pockets nice and flowy like I wanted. And here's what they look like. Great little details, and absolutely love these things. They are so dope. And if you saw my reviews from last year, the fabric is amazingly soft and super quick drying, and it's just a nice casual shorter swim trunk fit that I absolutely love. So check it out if you're in the market for some classy swim trunks. So yeah, here they are on, like nice length. I love a shorter swimsuit. And then they have nice easy pockets, and you got a back pocket back there. But yeah, I mean, they fit well. And like I said, a little big up here, but the elastic fixes all of that. So I think I made the right decision sizing up for this year and future. But yeah, these Bay trunks are great. They are lined, all the models are, which, you know, some people don't like that, but I freaking love that because I don't have to worry about anything popping out. So that's always a plus for me. All right, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye. They also always come with this great little enamel and brass keychain that I just love. I kind of wish they would make the bus on the swim trunks in the big size now, though, so I can put it on my bag. I'm on the